Hi, I'm Steven, co-founder and CIO at Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Global Markets AM Preview. Stocks are rising this morning as U.S. President Donald Trump expresses interest in avoiding an impasse in the U.S.-China trade talk. January CPI is set to be released this morning at 8:30 a.m. Market forecasts are for a 10 bp increase month over month and a 1.5% increase year over year. Stocks newsletter writers classified as bullish by Investors Intelligence has crept up to 49.5% from 48.6% last week. Optimism among newsletter writers has been climbing for 6 straight weeks, the longest streak since late November-December 2016. Typically, Investors Intelligence views 50% as a level where it becomes worried about too much newsletter optimism. Operating margins for the S&P 500 appear to have peaked in 2Q-3Q of calendar year 2018 as we begin to lap the implementation of the Republican tax plan. Gross margins have been holding steady, implying management teams are successfully managing the volatility in commodity markets, while net income margins have been inching downwards. In order to manage profitability margins going forward, S&P 500 companies will have to control future growth and spending. The CFRA is arguing that mid-sized companies are looking like they are the most attractive relative to other large-cap and small-cap peers, with the average 4-month, 12-month PE at their lowest relative levels since calendar year 2009. Stocks with strong balance sheets have been some of the top-performing U.S. stocks, with valuations now trading at a 6-year premium to those stocks with high debt relative to cash flow. Those would be highly leveraged companies. Typically, companies with good balance sheets are viewed as safe during periods of market volatility and economic slowdowns or contractions. The VIX has little change this morning, currently sitting at 15.34, with EFA out-of-the-money calls and S&P 500 index minis out-of-the-money puts and Eli Lilly out-of-the-money puts and calls, some of the most heavily traded options in the U.S. pre-market this morning. From our popular stocks trading in the news segment, Activision Blizzard reports fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $1.29, matching consensus of $1.29. Activision Blizzard reports fourth quarter total sales of $2.48 billion, missing consensus of $3.04 billion. Activision Blizzard said first quarter 2000 EPS will come in at roughly 20 cents, well below market forecast for 47 cents. Its dividend was raised to 37 cents per share from 34 cents. Activision Blizzard announced a restructuring that will see an 8% decrease of its workforce. Hilton Worldwide reports fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 79 cents, beating market forecast of 69 cents. Hilton Worldwide reports fourth quarter revenue of $2.29 billion, in line with consensus of $2.26 billion. Hilton Worldwide sees first quarter 2019 EPS in a range of 73 cents to 78 cents. Under Armour reports fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 9 cents, beating market forecast of 4 pennies. Under Armour reports fourth quarter revenue of $1.39 billion, in line with market forecast of $1.38 billion. Under Armour reports a 12% drop in inventory and indicates first quarter sales will be flat, below consensus estimates for 2% growth. If you found this video helpful or informative, follow us on Twitter or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out Quantamize.com for your full market preview for stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptos, and to find out what trades our AI quant models like this morning.